So I ordered this stuff a few days ago. It just recently came in, and we're gonna try to install some of it today. We were gonna use these ramps, but these things are too steep, so it's just gonna hit the front bumper. So what I'm thinking is I'm probably gonna try to use these silver ramps, so it raises up a little bit higher, but maybe it's just enough so I can get under the car and try to do some of the screws for it. As far as the lighting kit, I don't know if we'll get to that today. If we do, it'll be in this video. If I don't, it'll be in another video. Jeff is here with me, but he took someone for a ride in his car. He'll be back in a minute, and he's gonna try to help me, try to guide me onto the ramps, and yeah. Okay, so as far as it looks like to remove the front bumper, it's just screws here, one under each side of there, and then it looks like I have to remove these screws and a few back here because none of this is going to be here when I install the new front splitter. And then there's a few, I think, on the fender, well, over there too. So let's get to it. Okay, so we finally got pretty much the whole bumper, all those screws and stuff taken out. There's a lot more than what I expected. So not only do you have those and the ones that are underneath, there's also two here underneath this flap and three in the fender on each side. And then you got like a line of them all the way underneath. So, but we got most of them popped out now. The bumper should come off. So camera stopped recording because battery died, so it'll probably just cut to this. I don't know where it ended at, but yeah. Okay, we're just gonna leave that there. Hey Jeff, you want to grab that other end?
Hold on, I gotta find the link face.
I should probably undo the battery. I didn't even think about it, I should probably do that just in case. Oh, yeah, battery's on.
No.
Oh, yeah. You want to grab that side? Yeah.
I accidentally just pressed
So,
retry.
Hand in the fender area, and then one down here on the splitter. The stock front splitter. Right down, lift to the front.
Wait, there's something connected.
Yeah, there should be. Hold on.
There's like wiring.
Yeah, I know. That made me jump. But make sure it just doesn't kind of scrape the ground. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Trying to lift it up.
Just hold it. There we go. Alright. Good. Nothing else? Good.
Oh, it looks way better. Dude, this, you should keep it like this. No, I'm just joking.
Okay.
That
looks so weird with it off. So like the stock front bumper, they have these like blocks here. If you like got these like drilled out or something, you could have those duct to here. So you have more brake cooling. But that was fairly easy. There's just 2 clips. You had the pop on each side. So there's a connector here that goes right here. And which is that one. And then there's this one which is on the opposite side. It's a fairly easy thing to do. Now we just gotta pop the splitter on. Drill 2 holes, one here and one here. And then put everything back together. I don't know sometimes.
Look at the video of this.
Why is there gotta be so many bolts? Ah! Why, BMW? Huh? Why? Ta-da!
How you doing?
So many bolts. Like there was an extra like 3 in here. Yeah, like 3 there and then 1 right there on each side. And then like 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. So many stupid bolts. We got that all off. Now we just gotta mock up the front splitter. We gotta pull it back out again. But from here it should be kind of smooth because all the hardware is included and stuff. So ready to help?
Yeah. Look, I got all y'all. I got all y'all. Ain't no self-service here.
But we're gonna get it mocked up now. So time lapse. Okay, so again, I don't know where it cut off because I just came back to it and it already stopped recording. But we got the front grills off. Like this one, done. Middle and the other side. They were kind of a pain. Basically, the best way I found to do it was to kind of like jam a flathead in between the tabs and kind of keep it there and then pull up on the grills while you leave it there. But we had to remove those so we can get access to some of the holes that are underneath because this black piece here kind of blocks them. So then we can put the splitter on. Hopefully that's the last thing that's a pain in the butt to do. Okay, so far, only thing I've got attached right now is the 1-inch spacer on the front. But that's essentially what it's gonna look like with it on. What do you think?
Looks pretty good. I really like it a lot. Nice carbon fiber. Can't wait to work on the underglow next.
Yeah. But I think it looks pretty good for what it is. It's just the way, because we're doing it at home, it's a whole lot harder than as if you had a shop, like, and like a lift and all that stuff to do it. But I think it's pretty good. Now it's just gonna take a bit to get it all put back together and stuff, but yeah. But then we just gotta figure out where we're gonna put the strut supports for it, because they're gonna ultimately connect up in here, but we have to decide whether put it down here or a little more aggressive look, what, like basically what position we want to pull them in, and then we have to drill the holes for that. So okay, we just finished up putting all the bumper back together and putting some of the strut rods back in. I think it looks really neat because I tried to match the strut rods with kind of like the beam of the front bumper that's right there. Try to match that same angle. I think it came out really well. The only thing I'd do is the little Z clips on each side. I gotta drill those out, put those on, but otherwise it's put back together. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Now we just gotta clean everything up because we got a mess out here now. Got that off because it doesn't need that anymore, so I have to put that somewhere. And then all these bolts and washers and everything else, I gotta figure out what to do with because you don't need those. Just gotta tighten down the strut rods, whatever you want to call them. Z clips, done. Get it off, get it out. It's sun's setting right now, so I may just wait to do the underglow for another time. These bolts, I had to drill these in real quick for the little bracket underneath. The only problem I have with this is the bracket doesn't fully contact anything. It's just kind of held there with the nut on the other side. So I don't know if the brackets were made too long or what, but they're on there. I got the strut rods fully tied down now because they were just on there loosely. I still have to put the trim piece back up here. It took longer than I expected because now it's like almost dark out and I just finished it, so longer than what I expected. Definitely will have to do the lighting kit some other time, probably at work, so that'll probably be the end of this video. I don't know how long this is going to be. It may be a short video, but I'll see you guys in the next one.
But I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it.